Habe die Ehre, guys, and welcome to the Chainsaw Pros. So here we have this Poulan Pro, a saw from America, not very expensive, so not the quality of steel. And as you saw in our stories, we are gonna destroy this saw, or say it in other words, test her very hard. And at first we need to take a look. Maybe she runs, but with some, in German, Bremsenreiniger, she will run. So let's take a look. Guys, we took a look inside the carb, so now she should run, and let's take a look at her piston. Yeah, looks like new. Very nice saw to destroy, I would say. Let's test her.
So this is the saw before the test. Now we will start her. Warning for headphone users. Let's go. I would say time to destroy her.
So now we will try her to tune her with some brake cleaner or German Bremsenreiniger and with some compression air. So, but first we need to make the best tuning with our best tuning tool. Yeah, very nice. This is very good tune. Now we will start the saw and try to tune her with some compression air. Let's go. Very nice, I would say. Let's try again. That doesn't work. Shit, let's try with brake cleaner. Well, that didn't work too, so let's try air and brake cleaner. Let's go. Very nice, shit saw. Now our shit saw will get a modified exhaust with our special tuning tool, and like this. So let's get her run and tune her. Let's go. So now we will put some brake cleaner in our air filter. Oh.
Need a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Long ways to drive.
Whoa.
Kurwa. Yeah, I would say that worked not very good, but it was funny. As you could see, we couldn't get the stick inside of the pole wheel because it's spinning too fast. But yeah, worked a little bit, but nah, that's boring. Let's go on with some better things. Let's go. Let's get it started. Very nice. Yeah. Piece of shit. Oh. Works not that good. So guys, the first part is over. It's getting dark. Yeah, very nice. Now we will take a look inside of this cylinder, and in the next video we will build a construction so the saw can turn very fast.
Here you see the piston. Looks very nice. No problems. And yeah, in the next part 2, we will go on destroying her. And yeah, I say thanks for watching and see you in the next part. Habe die Ehre, the Chainsaw Pros.